If you want to make money on TikTok in 2026, but you think you need millions of followers or need to go viral, I am about to show you 5 real ways that beginners are making $500 to $5,000 and more per month. Some with less than 1,000 followers. No dancing, no viral trends is required. Just real strategies that actually work. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to get paid from TikTok, which methods work best for beginners, and how to start making money within your first 30 days. Let's get into it. If you are new to my channel, my name is Vanity. I talk about real ways to make money online and build passive income using what you already have so you can create more freedom in your life. All right, let me break down all 5 ways. The first way is TikTok creator funds. Here's how it works. TikTok pays you based on views on videos that are over 1 minute long. According to 2026 data, creators are earning between 50 cents to $2 per 1,000 views through the creator program. So if you get 100,000 views on one video, you can earn $50 to $200 just from TikTok. 100,000 video views. The requirements are 10,000 followers. I am trying to get there. I'm not there yet. I'm working on getting there. Y'all actually help me out. Go follow me on TikTok. It's at Vanity Hustles. I have the TikTok username below. 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Videos must be over 1 minute long. You must be at least 18 years old. The creator program is available in the United States, UK, France, Germany, and a few other countries. Just make sure you check to see if it's available. If it's not available, unfortunately, this method will not work for you yet. Let me show you what this looks like. I'm opening TikTok on my phone right now. I'm going to show you where to find the creator program. Right here, this is where you apply once you meet the requirements. I didn't even meet the requirement yet, but your girl's almost there. So that's method 1. If you can hit 10,000 followers and post videos over 1 minute long, you can start earning directly from TikTok. I'm going to tell you other ways that you can make money from TikTok. This one just probably wouldn't work for you yet. It's not working for me yet neither. But here's the thing. Most beginners won't hit those requirements right away. Again, like I said, I didn't even hit those requirements yet, and I definitely did not hit it right away. But it's a possibility you can, but most beginners won't. So now let me show you 4 of the ways that you can make money on TikTok starting today. Method number 2 is TikTok Shop Affiliate Program. This is one of the best ways for beginners to start making money using TikTok Shop Affiliate Program because you don't need much followers. The requirements, I think it is 1,000 followers, and that's very low. You could definitely get 1,000 followers pretty fast if you're just posting and you're consistent. Here's how it works. You promote products from TikTok Shop in your videos. When someone buys through your link, you earn commissions. Usually 5% to 20% per sale. Requirements are at least 1,000 followers to be 18 years of age. And that's it. And of course you have to meet the community guidelines. TikTok Shop is available in the United States, UK, and several other countries. Just check and see if it's available in your country. Let me show you how to find products to promote. I am opening TikTok right now, and I'm going to the shop section. Look at all these products. Everything from beauty products to home goods to tech gadgets. Now I'm going to show you how to become an affiliate for the specific product. If someone buys this item through my link, then I will earn commission. Now let me show you how to add it to your showcase. Once it's in your showcase, you can create videos about it. When you post, TikTok will give you the option to add a product link to your video, and you would just add the product link to your video. Here's an example what it looks like.
As a content creator, we all gotta waste.
This little thing right here got some power.
Why haven't you invested in yourself so you can have...
See that shopping bag icon? That's the product link. When people tap it and buy, the creator earns commission. If you are finding this helpful so far, please do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe. I post videos like this every week showing you real strategies to make money online. Watching all the way through really helps YouTube shows this to more people who needs it. All right, let me show you method 3. Method 3 is regular affiliate marketing. You're basically promoting products from Amazon, Sell, or individual brands. This works worldwide, no matter where you are. Here's how it works. You would join in affiliate programs and promote products in your TikTok videos. You can put the link in your bio, or you can use a LinkedIn bio tool like Linktree or Stan Store. I love Stan Store, so I will leave the link for Stan down in the description below. And they do have a 14-day free trial so you could test them out. Best products to promote on TikTok is Amazon products. A lot of people shop on Amazon. Everybody loves Amazon. They trust Amazon. You would use an Amazon associate. You would sign up for an Amazon associate account, which does not require anything. You just sign up. The next product to sell on TikTok is digital products. That is courses, templates, and ebooks. Another product that you can promote on TikTok is software tools like Notion, productivity tools, or any productivity apps or anything that you actually use that you genuinely love. You could see if they have an affiliate program and you could promote it on your TikTok. Those brands are already trusted, so it's easier for people to actually click your link and actually buy from them because they're already a trusted brand. Creators are making $500 to $2,000 plus per month doing this. Method 4 is brand sponsorships. This is where brands pay you to create content featuring their product. And here is what most people don't know. You don't need millions of followers to get brand deals. Honestly, brand deals was reaching out to me and I wasn't even at 1,000 followers yet. It does not matter about your followers, and it matters more about what content you are creating, what niche you in. That matters more in your engagement. Not about your followers, it's more about content. If your content is good and it's getting engagement and it's getting attention, brands would definitely want to work with you and will reach out to you. So just master content. According to 2026 data, influencers that have like 1,000 to 10,000 followers are getting paid $50 to $500 per sponsored post. Micro influencers, which is 10,000 followers to 50,000 followers, are making $500 to $2,000 per post. How you can find brands, you can join platforms. You can join influencer platforms like Aspire, IQ, Influencity, and Tribe. The next option is that you can reach out to brands directly through DM or email. You can send them a message like, hi, I create content about and put your niche on TikTok and would love to collaborate. My audience loves and put the type of products. Would you be interested in a partnership? Start with small brands. They are more likely to work with beginners. The 5th method, which is my favorite method, which everyone could start no matter what followers. This is my favorite. And that is selling your own digital products. This is my favorite because you control the pricing and you keep 100% of the profit. You can sell guides and ebooks, templates like Notion, Canva, Excel, courses, and printables. You will create the product once and sell it over and over again. You can sell it on Stan Store. Again, I will put the link in my description below. But if you're like, okay, I don't have any money for Stan Store because you do have to pay a monthly price for Stan, you can use, it's another one. It's called Beacon. You can also use Beacon. They are free. So I will leave the link for Beacon below too if you just don't have the budget for Stan. But I prefer Stan. I love Stan. I'm with Stan. So, but if I understand that you like, okay, I love Stan too, but I don't have the money for Stan, then Beacon is another option you can use, which I will leave the link to Beacon down below as well. Shopify is another one you could use, which that's your own website. They are offering 3 months for only $1. I will leave the link to Shopify down below too. If you want your own store, you want to have more freedom, Shopify is a great route to go when you want your own store and you want complete control over your whole website. To promote on TikTok, you are going to create videos that provide value. For example, if you sell a budget planner, you are going to make videos about budgeting tips. If you sell Notion template, show how well your life is organized. Why do you rely on Notion templates? Why is it useful? Of how Notion template help you out in your life and how you have to keep referring to Notion to make sure you're getting everything done that you need to get done that day. Then you will add at the end of the video, link in bio for the full guide. If you're on TikTok, if you're on Instagram, I recommend using a tool called Mini Chat. And that's where, I know you've seen it, you probably even heard about it, is when someone say comment such and such word, and I will send the link. I will send something to you. So they will comment the word and then they will DM you. So it will be automatic and that will be best for Instagram. On TikTok. So those are the 5 real ways to make money on TikTok in 2026. Let me give you my honest recommendation on where to start. If you have less than 1,000 followers, I will start with regular affiliate marketing, method 3, or digital product, which is method 5. These doesn't require any followers and you can start making money immediately. If you have 1,000 to 10,000 followers, I will focus on affiliate marketing and start reaching out for small brand deals. And you can start with TikTok Shop affiliate. If you have 10,000 followers, you have access to everything. I would definitely apply to the creator program and stack it with affiliate income and brand deals. The key is not to wait for one method. Stack multiple income streams. So as you're creating content, if you under 1,000 followers, as you're creating content for digital products or for affiliate link to earn affiliate marketing, you are growing your audience. You're growing followers, you're growing views. And as you growing, you are earning as well. And then when you grow, you are adding more income streams as you grow. Because you'll be access to more things as you grow. You'll be access to brand deals. You'll be access to creator program. You'll be access to the TikTok Shop affiliate program. This is how creators are making 5,000 plus per month. They are going everywhere. They're not just doing one thing. But that one thing is opening doors for multiple things. So just stay consistent. If you want to see another platform where you can make money with even less effort, you need to watch this video next. That video shows you step by step how to use Pinterest and AI tools to create passive income streams. Perfect if you want to diversify just from TikTok. Click that video next and I'll meet you there.